How to fix Personal Hotspot not working on iPhone. Whether your hotspot won't turn on, isn't showing up, or devices can't connect, here are some quick fixes you can try. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone and tap Mobile Service or Cellular, depending on your region. Make sure mobile data is turned on. If it's already enabled, turn it off, wait a few seconds, and turn it back on. Next, go to Personal Hotspot and toggle Allow Others to Join off, then turn it back on. Leave this screen open while trying to connect another device, as this helps the hotspot stay discoverable. If it's still not working, go back to Main Settings page on your iPhone, then General, and tap About. Select Name and change your iPhone's name by adding a letter or number. Then return to Personal Hotspot and enable it again. Still having trouble? Restart your iPhone. Press and quickly release the volume up button, then the volume down button, and press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. If the hotspot still doesn't work, make sure your carrier supports Personal Hotspot. Check that your iPhone has the latest iOS update installed, and verify that low data mode is turned off if you're using cellular data. That's it. These steps should help fix most Personal Hotspot issues on your iPhone. If this video helped, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more iPhone tips and troubleshooting tutorials.